friends. Welcome to Brainbow World Kids. I'm Autumn, and today we're going to have fun solving some silly math puzzles. Let's head into the clubhouse and see who's there. Hey Pixel, what are you working on?
Math, of course. Want to help?
Perfect timing. I brought some friends with me. Let's do it together.
I picked 3 red apples from the tree. Autumn picked 2 green apples from another tree. How many apples do we have together? That's right! 3 plus 2 equals 5 apples. Great job!
Yay! 2 kids are playing tag. One more joins in. How many kids are playing now? Yes! 2 plus 1 equals 3 kids. You're doing awesome! Yay!
There are 5 sandwiches and 5 juice boxes. How many snacks are there to eat and drink? Nice thinking. 5 plus 5 equals 10 yummy things.
Hooray! Yay! There are 4 toys in your toy box. You find 2 more under your bed. How many toys do you have to play with? That's right. 4 plus 2 equals 6 toys. Hooray! Yay!
We sold 5 cookies and 3 cupcakes at the bake sale. How many treats did we sell in total? 5 plus 3 is 8 sweet treats. Way to go!
Hooray! Yay!
All right, let's take a silly break.
Would you rather eat a jelly bean pizza or spicy noodle ice cream?
If you'd pick jelly bean pizza, tap the like button. If you try spicy noodle ice cream, tap subscribe.
I love spicy noodles.
Okay, back to the quiz.
Yay! I had 10 blueberries. Then I ate 4 of them. How many are left? Yum! 10 minus 4 equals 6 blueberries. Hooray! Sorry, blueberries. You're too tasty.
There were 8 books on the shelf, but 3 fell down. Oh, how many books are still there? Great job! 8 minus 3 equals 5 books.
Hooray! I saw 5 butterflies, but 3 flew away. Oh, man! How many butterflies are left? That's right. 5 minus 3 equals 2 butterflies. Hooray! Fluttertastic!
I had 9 balloons, but 5 popped. How many balloons do I have now? Yes! 9 minus 5 equals 4 balloons. Still enough for a party.
Hooray! Yay! You did amazing, friends. Give yourself a round of applause. If you had fun, tap like and subscribe so you never miss a quiz. And tell a friend to join you next time. See you soon in Brainbow World.